So, welcome to episode 16 of Cooking with Rye. Because our buddy Rick here is a little late. It was his birthday and I don't know, he had to run out to the store. He could be getting those thong little underwears that he likes to wear all the time. So we're going to have to start the show without him because we don't know where he is. He's running late, so.
I'm here.
Oh, you made it.
You didn't wait for me. I wait for you.
But you've been like 5
You're
hours.
4 hours late last time. I was 10 minutes.
You're 5 hours.
Fuck. I'm still wearing my hat. I had to go out for my birthday yesterday.
Did you sleep with that hat on?
I did, and the candles are all fucked up.
I know. Listen, he's got happy birthday bad hat. So
Okay,
what took
so
you so long?
I had to go get something because, you know, of your dismal showing last week.
Actually, it wasn't dismal.
I have to celebrate your Cafe du Monde de Universal de shit.
That's
right. So I got a bottle of wine. I saw this and I thought, this is your bottle of wine. If there was no other bottle of wine that existed in this world, this is yours. It's called the Frisky Beaver. And I know you like your Beaver Frisky.
Yes, I do.
So I thought, you know, that is a very good bottle of wine for Rye.
So this is what I get for winning.
That's what you get for coming second place.
No. Frisky Beaver, Baco Fuck Cabernet.
Yeah, so it's got the little long teeth. I
Where's
see you're
it
wearing
from?
your beaver shirt.
Ontario, Vaughan?
Is it from Ontario?
It's fucking Vaughan.
Okay, let's go through that.
Alright, so we'll make this for our cooking line. We'll pawn this off to fucking...
Yeah, somebody. Christmas present.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, the person that you don't like a lot. Okay, so, Cooking with Rick and Rye, episode 16. Cheers. Here we are.
No fucking time.
Making our...
Look at the fucking size of the glass.
Yeah, fuck, that's awesome. Okay, so today is mac and cheese.
Yes.
I am gonna do, well, you're doing a béchamel as well, which I'm surprised.
I'm not calling it a béchamel.
It's a béchamel sauce.
It's called mac and cheese sauce.
We're both making a béchamel with cheese. I'm gonna add some stuff. You're gonna add some stuff. We're gonna
some
be on
stuff. $85 worth of cheese.
4 types of cheese.
Fucking some
kale gnocchi.
Kale fucking gnocchi.
Shishito peppers.
Shishito peppers.
I got a tri-tip. And I got my elbow macaroni. I got my Slap Yo Mama from New Orleans. I'm gonna put in there.
Nice.
I got some fennel sausage. I got some bacon. And you have?
I'm doing classic macaroni, not the oven baked with the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna do like a KD style where it's goopy and gooey because that's the way I like it, and I know camera person's gonna fucking like it. I got a shit ton of cheese, and I'm just gonna grill a couple little rock lobster tails, chop them up, throw them in, beat you good. Simple.
Okay, so I'm gonna start with some peppers, and I'm gonna chop them up with some garlic. That's gonna go in my béchamel.
It's fucking a roux with fucking milk in it.
That's a béchamel. Thank you. It's a mother sauce. It's one of the 5 mother sauces. And when you add cheese, it's now a Mornay sauce. Okay, let's get this thing going.
Okay.
It hurts falling down.
Peppers here, Jason. Peppers and garlic. Rye loves this. A little bit of pepper. Lots of garlic.
So what do I press? Yes?
Yep. And use lots of olive oil. Lots of salt. And done. That's how easy that is. Damn. Got it right?
I think so. That looks so cheesy. Yeah, how the fuck? Yeah, that's about 2 cups there, right? 2 cups. 1-ton tomato. We've got a 1-ton tomato.
Got my fennel sausages. Take the little skins off. I'll just leave these here in case you need them.
Why are you putting it in mine? It looks like fucking Jewish foreskin.
To the garbage.
Clarity. I want to make sure this is fucking 2 cups.
You're being exact today? I've never seen you be exact.
Now, I'm gonna chop some more cheese. Scissors aren't that good, Richard.
They're the wrong scissors. They're my new scissors. Camera person bought these for my birthday. These are herb scissors.
Weed chopping scissors. That's fine. Oh, that almost backfired on me. Your cheese smells like feet. Don't fuck around.
Yep. You ready for the cue ride?
Wait. Does it look like I'm ready for the cue? I got it. Why are you so touchy today? Aren't you hungover or something? Oh fuck, a little pecorino in this guy.
It's kale gnocchi. It tastes good. You don't like it. Will it have these grooves?
No, you do that with the fork at the end.
No, I do it with the wooden board.
No, you don't. I know. Why do I have so many napkins? Where'd your fucking noodles come from? They look the same as mine.
These come from Italy. Italy.
Béchamel that up your ass. Grease fire. Look at Reggie smoke. It's so greasy. Why do you always gotta ruin my clothes?
Oh, you're coming a little too close to my ass there for my liking.
Why do you gotta fuck around all the time? There's a bug in there, right?
Little fucking swimmer.
Don't you fucking prick! What?
Frozen.
They're not frozen. They wouldn't wiggle if they were frozen. I think I gotta put them down on the
They cook like this.
semi-cook.
Hey, I need it cooked like this. Good. Now it gives me more room for my little saucy. Look at these nuggets. Look at that nugget. Let's put one of these on here.
No! You know what? We'll see who gets the last fucking laugh here. Camera person. Oh! Speaking of which, I was gonna wait to do a bong. But camera person has a friend named Matt.
Matt from Starbucks.
Matt from Starbucks.
Yeah. Yeah.
He thinks I'm a funny fucking guy.
Yeah.
And he thought it was pretty awesome that I smoke fucking bongs on the show.
Yeah. You're gonna burn your fucking mouth off.
Fennel's good. God damn it, man. This fucking Pornhub, constant. Can you do a shoot at 2? Can you do a shoot at 5? Can you do a shoot at 7? Fuck, man, it's getting chafed.
Are you ready yet?
I don't know. Yeah, they're curled up. Fuck! Fucking little fucks are taking a long time. And all this bacon burn shit is gonna ruin it. You turn that off, right? Turn that off!
I need it back.
No, you're fucking putting burnt smoke
I'm
on my
not.
lobster. Just grab it and take it off. Oh, that's just fucking great! Oh, you know what?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, let the smoke die off. You're trying to sabotage my fucking.
Why would I do
You know what? I'm not liking you right now. Fucking barbecue's like in flames. fuck is wrong with you two?
Okay, bechamel in here, and you need equal parts butter and flour. Start your butter off.
Oh, you almost made me cut my finger off. Oh, succulent! Everyone knows who's a fucking real professional.
Okay, so got our butter melted and equal parts flour. So you want to use a whisk here, and this is a roux. So you can make a white roux, and a white roux is just letting the flour combine with the butter, cooking it out a bit. And if you keep this going, you'll make a dark roux, which is the base of New Orleans cooking. So this will go to almost black. People say add hot milk. You don't need to add hot milk. But you just want to add a little bit of milk at a time. Otherwise you'll get a little bit of lumps. So the first little bit. And I know people add nutmeg. I like to add a little slap your mama.
I know what I'm doing, Richard.
I know you know what you're doing. I saw your cereal last week.
Okay, can you find me a smaller fucking whisk?
I couldn't. So you can see it starting to thicken up. Now, there is no set anything. You can have this a little bit thinner by adding more milk. Now I'm gonna add pasta to it, so I probably want to make this a little bit thinner, and I want the pasta to absorb some of it. And it will be too thick if I don't make this sauce a little bit creamier.
Oh, the mac and cheesy reezy. Mac and cheesy reezy. Where's my fucking drink? I'm making a roux. My special secret blend of herbs and spices.
You wait till you try this sauce.
What you get for sabotaging the fucking lobster.
Look at that cheese sauce.
Oh, camera present. This is gonna be so fucking good. Oh shit, yeah. Camera present. Oh, that was fun.
We're gonna use bacon and add mornay sauce.
Doesn't that look like drunken macaroni if I've ever seen it? Lobster,
Nice and salty.
chuck it in. Lobster, mac, and fucking cheese. So I went from having a nice quiet night watching UFC to, I can't watch, how can you watch this? Are you done yet, Richard? Why are you looking forward? My chick is coming home. What, I'm just fucking dancing. There's nothing else to do while I wait for fucking Master Chef to make his 5-hour macaroni. And your face looks really red. I think maybe you're allergic to losing.
Stab you in your beaver. Okay, you're good. Yours smells really good. Mine smells
Good?
awesome.
No.
Okay, let's try yours.
This is for you. Unless you want
Oh,
pepper.
no, that's good.
Oh, yeah,
Good. Nice and cheddary.
mm-hmm.
Okay, we'll just share one. And I use a little bit of my hot peppery spice in there. The bacon.
I should try it without the spice. Because that spice on anything makes it taste good.
They're both good, just different. This is gnocchi.
Mm,
I don't know. You like gnocchi?
I'll give it a dance. Yeah.
It's gnocchi. And this has got a little bit of the tri-tip in it. Oh, I like the tri-tip.
I don't know if I like that. I think I like the pork better. Camera person.
Okay. Successful mac and cheese.
Mm-hmm.
You happy with your mac and cheese, right?
Yeah, mine's good. I'm gonna eat it tonight while I watch the fight. Good show.
Yep.
I won again. Perfect. Awesome. Happy
You won
birthday
again.
to Richard.
Thank you.
We don't know if we're gonna have an episode airing next week because
'Cause I'm
Richard's
too
getting
old.
up on age and he might die in his sleep.
Fucker. Thanks for watching. Cooking Rick and Rye. See you next week.
Cheers.